Welcome everyone, my name is Vultr. In this series of videos we'll be looking at how to fast track the FreePBX installation onto a cloud-based environment. There's a lot of videos out there, very good videos by the likes of Crosstalk Solutions, which looks at the installation of FreePBX and many of the modules and features. In the series of videos we're looking at the specifics of a cloud solution and some of the learnings that will fast track and avoid some of the pitfalls, how to set up reasonable security with VPN, etc. for your phones. We'll also look at the specifics of a yealink rollout and getting that to work nicely, integrate nicely with the endpoint manager that is on FreePBX. If you're running with Sangoma phones, this video probably has less relevance, as we'll be specifically delving into yealink. A lot of the principles are the same. We're sitting here on the FreePBX website where we'll be downloading our install of FreePBX in this video. So just so everyone's aware, a cloud-based solution means loading it onto something like Amazon or DigitalOcean or Vultr instead of running your own dedicated appliance within the FreePBX family. These are the Sangoma dedicated appliances that you can install within your organization. You can remotely access these, in other words run your remote phones through the VPN solution on these appliances, these dedicated appliances. In our case, we're looking to install the appliance, essentially virtualize it on the cloud. In terms of the install process, we have chosen to run with Vultr. The reason being Vultr permits ISO installs. Another cheap solution is DigitalOcean, both comparatively priced. The main reason we've gone with Vultr is that whilst DigitalOcean will work, the installation process is a little bit more complicated. Effectively, you will need to run a install process on a hypervisor, for example, locally on your PC. You can do that with, let's say, VirtualBox, or if you have the server infrastructure, VMware, or one of the other hypervisors. And once you've done that, you'll have to export that client to DigitalOcean as a VDI or some sort of OVA style package in order to get it working. It is much easier to run with Vultr, and it'll become clearer as we go through the install. FreePBX is rolled out as an ISO. Essentially means that it comes with its own variation of Linux. It's derived from CentOS, and whilst you can go through and do a CentOS install followed by asterisk install and then layer the install of FreePBX on top, unfortunately this process will mean that the Sangoma commercial modules cannot be installed in that installation. Accordingly, we do recommend you run with an ISO install. There's really no material benefit of doing a ground up install. The FreePBX or Sangoma version of CentOS is essentially largely CentOS. Okay, I think just to summarize, what we'll be doing is installing FreePBX on a Vultr account, an instance. We'll be ripping or wgetting in a way, not from the command line, just click and drag essentially, our FreePBX and running that on Vultr. So if you don't mind, before the next video, if you can create the account on Vultr, don't be afraid to add your credit card details. Its cost to run instance is measured in a few cents per day. I think probably 10-15 cents a day. In our next video, we'll load FreePBX onto our Vultr account and start to configure it. If you don't already have an account with Vultr, please could you use the affiliate link below, and we get a small benefit from Vultr, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Don't forget to click like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.